Hello guys, if you are looking for fully funded scholarship to study in the United States, then this is the right channel for you. Here on this channel, I do talk about how international students can secure fully funded scholarship to study their dream programs here in the United States. If you want to be part of this family, then just do yourself a favor by hitting on the subscribe button and turning on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Here on this episode, I'll be talking about the school giving out graduate assistantships to all international students. If you want to really know the name of the school, let's all navigate the whole process together. My name is Albert and I'm a graduate student assistant here at Wayne State University. The name of this university is University of North Carolina at Charlotte. Right, so let's quickly run through their programs. So I'm already there. So these are their programs. They have by the way, you can filter your search using these tools, right? But then I don't want to filter the I don't want to use them, so let's quickly run through all their programs together. Accountancy, addiction, and all that. And by the way, these are all graduate programs. Applied econometrics. There's a lot of programs in there. Yeah, applied nursing, informatics, architecture, athletic training, bioinformatics. So, like I always say, if you want to know the requirements, you just click on that. And then you go to their program web page. So that is their department, and then you go through what the program is about. If there is any available funding, you will be right here. So these are the admission. You need a degree in biology, biochemistry, chemistry, physics, math, stats, or anything like that. You need a GPA of 3.0 on a 4.0 scale, as well as 3 recommendation letters, and then an SOP, which is a statement of purpose. If you are international students from a non-English speaking country, of course, you will have to submit one of these. If you are from Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, Zimbabwe, Tanzania, Zambia, our official language is English, so you don't need to submit any of that. Yeah. So this is the program requirement. That's it. And then let's go to another program. Masters in biology and then PhD in biology. So let's check PhD in biology. So you just go to their program web page, and then you see admission requirements here and deadlines and all that. So these are the requirements. They require no GRE, and then you need a bachelor's degree. They didn't specify which degree, so I guess any degree at all is okay, but it should be quite related to biology. Then that's it. The admission procedure, you can apply through this link and stuff like that. Yeah. So they also have teaching and research assistantships, right? So you just click on that. So that is the main purpose for this video. So they offer $22,000 per year stipend for full-time standing students. So if you're a full-time student, this is how much you'll be earning in an academic year. And you need a GPA, like I've been saying, 3.0 and above to be considered for teaching assistantship, and you work 20 hours per week. Yeah, if your GPA is less than 3.0, you know what to do. I've made series of videos explain how you can raise your GPA, so just go through my channel and then search for that video and watch using the IGPA calculator. and then you evaluate your transcript and you get a raise, then you apply. It's as simple as that. So that is it. So they have teaching assistantships there. Let's go to another program. Biomedical science, a certificate program. So business administration, which is finance. So let's check that as well. Let's go to the program web page. Okay, since you should find out more about that. I don't think their web page is well arranged, but I believe they do have assistantship since it's a PhD program. Chemistry, masters in chemistry. Go to their program web page, and that's it. So they have graduate research like that. So that is their research about. So if you want to apply to this program, you can reach out to any of these people, and then they will help you for sure. Yeah. Let's go to the next page. Masters in Civil Engineering. Just click on that. Go to their program web page. You can see right from there, you can see assistantship here. So that is their requirement for admission. This is the requirement to get a degree, right? To get masters in civil engineering in that school. That is the meaning of the degree requirement. The requirement for the admission is what you need to do to get admitted, right? Don't confuse yourself. So that is the admission requirement. An undergraduate GPA of 3.0 or better, of course. Your CV, 3 recommendation letters, and TOEFL if you are from a non-English speaking country, like I have been saying. And you have to apply early before February 15th, right? And so that's it. That is their requirement. So you can apply through this link. And then we have assistantships. So graduate assistantships are also available. They have teaching and research assistantships. Yeah, for sure. So if you are looking for masters in civil engineering, you can also apply. So the programs are quite a lot. Computer engineering, computer science. Let's check computer science. The program web page. Admission requirements. Let's see if they have assistantship. For the sake of time, let's look for programs with assistantship. So they have funded and assistantships. So you can check. That is it. We have research assistantships. So you can also apply for sure. Construction and facilities engineering is quite similar to civil. So education, counselor education and supervision. So let's check education. Let's see if they have assistantship. Graduate student funded for sure. So they have these assistantship involved working for 10 hours each week. So they have. So if you did education and you are looking for a program, this is one for you. So you can target the school if you want. Curriculum and instruction. PhD. Cyber security. So let's check. We have cyber security. Let's quickly go to their program web page. So this is admission requirements. This is the admission requirements. That is a degree requirement, I think. Sure. They say they do have scholarships. Okay, they also have graduate assistant support plan. So that is funding, so you can follow and read and see how you can apply. So it's quite, the funding opportunities are quite a lot here in this school. So if you are looking for schools, let's jump forward a little bit. But I am jumping forward because of this video. I'm working with time, so I want to be as quick as I can. So if I might have probably jumped over your program of interest, so you can. I will leave the link in the description box. If you want to navigate yourself, you can. Of course, you can always do that yourself. Geography PhD program web page. Graduate student resources. I don't think they have assistantship because I'm not seeing anything like that here. Health, informatics, and analytics. Let's go and see. Let's check. I don't think they have. So let's quickly move on to the next program. History, management, mathematics, finance. Let's check that program web page. Masters. I don't think you have, but then for sure the PhD program will be funded, so you can go to the PhD program. So admission, graduate courses, and all that. Mechanical engineering, masters in mechanical engineering, to the program web page. This is the overview of the program. So in the same way I'm doing, you can sit by your PC and then you can go through their programs one by one. Masters in public health, you can check if they have assistantships and PH admission, and you can go be reading through to see if they have assistantships. So if they have and you are interested in applying, just apply. Yeah. Reading education, to their program web page, and then you check if they have. So you just have to take your time and go through all these, right? And then see, probably there might be funding somewhere. So trust me, this school has a lot of funding. So I don't know your program of interest, so I can't be specific. I'm just rushing through them and then I leave it for you. Urban design and all that. Sure. Urban management and policy. So you go through that. Yeah. So that is it. So if you want to apply, you just click on admissions, and then international applicants, they will tell you what you need, right? Admission info. If you are applying for PhD, a requirement for PhD, a requirement for masters, just read through. For graduate certificate, accelerated program, masters, and all that, international applicants, what you need to do. So who is an international applicant? Anybody outside who isn't from US. So all non-US citizens are international students. So that applies to you, yeah, for sure. So that is it. So that's it. That's the name of the school. If you want to apply, I will leave the link to the university's website in my description box. And then don't forget to subscribe, turn on my notification bell, and then like all my videos. Thank you.